Hello, welcome. Today I will show you how to make a video tutorial. First, the tutorial needs to be shown an introduction. Secondly, the ingredients should be shown in the screen. Next, the history or interviews can be put how a section. Next, the music and picture may be added for the scripted process. After that, the process and step have to be implemented to achieve the objective. Then, the interesting facts and tips can be added to edition. After that, the result have to be shown in the screen. To continue, the illustrative material should be added to attract attention. To finish with the tutorial has to be published on YouTube. Finally, the tutorial can be viewed on YouTube. And thanks all thanks for your attention. Have a nice day.